Good morning and happy Friday. Let's go through the top 3 stocks that you need to watch for today. As always, I'll run you through my 3 favorite setups in the market, but there's way more than just 3 setups. The rest of them are posted in the Discord. And who would I be if my first stock of the day was not FIG? Yesterday when this dropped, we were already playing in the hundreds, so understanding that this was going to be overstretched, but we still had room to the upside, especially during this extended hours. In the Discord, we took our entries yesterday on a break of 108.5, which was a break of this wedge, break of a key level, and then we had room up way past that previous high. Understanding that during this extended hours, it would be much more buying pressure than selling pressure due to the fact that no outstanding orders would get filled. It has to be manually placed ones. So wrote out a little bit of a move on this one, now looking for a new setup. So a few key things to note on this chart. I have heavy resistance up at 148. That's because we have our pre-market high and after hours resistance. Now trending to the downside as we continue to form some lower highs. If we are able to break that downtrend and get above 141, you can look to play this move up through the 140s. If we continue to trend to the downside, I have support marked out at 128 and then 121 below that. Next on my watch list is Raya, which had some volume and it was on watch yesterday but made a substantial move down. Now we see this pretty often in the market actually, a very strong move down and then we start to slowly form some higher lows, try to climb back up to previous levels. What's going to be key on Raya is breaking this downtrend and getting above that 8.5 mark. Breaking the downtrend, breaking the pre-market high at 8.5, you can look to play this continued move up all the way to the 10s and the 11s. Those are my next levels marked out. Then even more if we're able to break that as well. But understand if we cannot break the downtrend in the pre-market high, will not take this trade. Third one I'm going to mention for the day is TNON, but it just popped up and it's trading at about 140 right now. So understand when something brand new pops up like this, I add it to the watch list and I wait for it to set up. The more candles we have on the chart, the more levels we can look for, so it'll just be easier to play. Then while I'm waiting to see us solidify a little bit more, I like to zoom out and look for some range. So TNON on the daily chart, I'm marking out 145, 169, and 199. But there you go, guys. Those are my top 3 stocks for today, and I'm filming this video a little late, so I need to get it posted and I need to get to trading. Let's end out the week strong. Love you guys.